are here at IndiaWood 2026, celebrating it with BÜRKLE. We have Mr. Martin with us. So, Mr. Martin, how's the show going, and what's the new thing that you have brought to the show?
So the show just opens the doors, and it goes great already. You see a lot of people over here, and for BÜRKLE it's always a pleasure to be here at Bangalore in India, and we are very happy to participate on that show.
So, how do you measure the effectiveness of the show, especially when it comes to Indian market?
So for us, it's very important to be present here in the Indian market. So there's a lot of big growing companies in the Indian market, which are very interesting for our product portfolio. We do not provide machines for the very little customers. We provide for the industrial version and for all those companies which are moving from small size to medium or big size. And that is very, very interesting in the Indian market for us because it's a fast growing country.
So, what are the most recent innovations you are focusing on, and how do they reflect the current industry trends?
So we are right now focusing a lot in the automation world. So our machinery get automated more and more, so we can provide it from really standalone equipment up to fully automatic lines. And that is also something interesting for your market over here.
How would you describe your company's approach and key strength in present market strategies, according to the present?
So we are now entering into the Indian market. So we have several key customers already. We have big projects with big companies here in the market, and we want to grow with the market. So our strategy is to have the hands on the small companies and grow with them together that they got big companies in the future. And that's why we are here and try to get in touch with the customer.
Thank you so much, and wish you all the luck for the upcoming.
Thank you very much, and have a great show.
Thank you.